out. And I just told her, I said, you call me out, and I called you on taking the bed.
And that was about 30 minutes ago?
When I got out. Yeah.
Which cat? Just came by, there's one back there with 3 kids. Okay, what's your name? Steve. So, Steve, is that your legal name? Okay, what's your last name, Steve? Spell it for me. Okay, Steve, so, and what's your date of birth? Okay, so, where were you today? Let me just ask the question, okay? Let me just ask the question. I don't want to hear about cat life. So, what time did you go there and where? Okay, and so you were there until about what time?
Maybe like 30 minutes ago. I would say I got there about probably at 2 o'clock, and then I got there maybe around 4, I'd say.
You got here about 4? Okay. And what did she say to you?
She just said that she was crying and terrified. I come on down, and she was on the bed, like coughing and gurgling, and she said, Marty fell. Something's wrong with you, David. And I said, well, let me see. And he was kind of coming out. I finally got him to come out of the room, and he thought everything was going to be okay, and he was going like in and out of consciousness, and he fell back again, and I was trying to give him CPR, just blowing his mouth. It's just to keep breathing, and I put the her oxygen on him, and he said,
Okay, and who are you to her? She's your wife. Whose kids are these? So her kids from a previous relationship? Okay, and you guys are married, husband and wife, or a relationship? How long have you been married? Okay, and so is this her child from another relationship? Do you have any children together? So she has 3 children, these 2 plus the one that's injured. Okay.
She called you, you're at work, or your friend did at work? Okay, you're at work. She called on your cell phone, right? Show me, what time did she call you? I don't even remember. Okay, it's on your cell phone, right? You can look at your cell phone. Okay. You can look at your cell phone and tell me what time she called you.
Okay, so what we're going to do, I'm going to hold on to your cell phone, and the detective will probably write a warrant to see what's in the cell phone. But I'm going to just hold it right now.
Sergeant Edison, did you ever get any verification from Mr. Casaus as to when Cynthia called him?
No, sir, I did not.
What did you do then?
I remained in visual contact with Mr. Casaus. I did look into the bathroom. He had mentioned something about a shower, and I looked and noticed the bathroom was slightly wet, as if someone had exited the shower. Mm-hmm. I stayed where I could keep an eye on Mr. Casaus, basically keep him over in that side of the house, and requested his assistance to care for the 2 small children that you could see there. The young boy was rather rambunctious, and we wanted to keep him over on that side of the house and out of the area where Omari was located.
So, how did you keep the kids calm?
Well, we ended up moving into another room, which appeared to be like a guest room that had a TV, put some cartoons on, and the police department brought some pizza and some stuffed animals, and Mr. Casaus basically sat with the children.
Is there anything else you remember about your involvement on that day?
The only other thing that I would have done was, as I'm speaking to you now, I would have updated the detectives when they arrived on scene, and I turned over my lapel camera and wrote a report.
Okay. Approach the witness, Your Honor.
Yeah.
Sergeant Edison, I'm handing you some items marked States Exhibit 2 through 7. Can you look at these and tell me if you recognize them? What do they depict?
This is the home where Omari was, where I was dispatched, and I located Omari. So this is a picture of the interior of the home on Comanche, where Omari was found
And
deceased.
are they fair and accurate representations of what you saw?
Yes, sir, they are.
Your Honor, the state would move to enter these exhibits 2 through 7 into evidence.
All right, they'll be admitted without objection.
May I publish them to the jury?
Yes.
And Sergeant Edison, what does this depict?
Which one is that? What's the number on that?
This is number 2.
Am I answering? Okay. Sir, this is as if you were standing at the front door. This is the living room. That doorway that you're looking at leads to the kitchen,
Okay. So
kind of pointing in a western direction of the house.
is this the direction that you were told to follow?
Yes, sir, it is.
Okay. And what is this?
What's the number, Counsel?
I'm sorry, it's number 3.
Still standing at the front door and now looking more straight ahead. This is that little short hallway. This is the direction that Mr. Casaus went. The bedroom is off to the right. And that doorway that you're looking actually leads to a laundry room, which is kind of a cut through in the middle of the house to the bedroom as well.
Okay, thank you. This is State's Exhibit 4. What does that depict?
I don't see anything, sir. Oh, there, thank you. So this is the kitchen. In the first picture that you showed me, there was a doorway. This is standing in that doorway. I'll have to walk through this kitchen, and if you look through the opening, which looks like a window, that's the bedroom where Omari was located. So I walked through this to get to the bedroom.